We planted potatoes at the beginning of spring, summer, and we are going to harvest them right now. I need this space to grow a pineapple. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cute. I see one already. Oh my gosh!
Let's dig!
Yes! Look how cute these are!
Should we dig in now?
Yes, we should.
Dig it!
Oh my gosh,
There's
look at
a
this
wall.
one.
There's a worm right there.
Alright, we are going to harvest these and we will be right back.
I found one! I found one!
Baby.
Look, I found one.
So I think this is our harvest. I think we did great for the very first time, don't you think, Jalen?
Yeah.
And now we are going to plant the top of our pineapple. We just cut or twisted the top off and then cut about 4 leaves off the bottom. We're going to plant this. Currently we have a cucumber growing,
Yeah.
several tomatoes.
Several!
We have some cabbage that we tried to save from the cabbage worms.
Yeah, there's something right there. Guess it's gonna be some sour.
We already harvested our green onions. There's one that I'm continuing to let grow. Our garlic. And we have a little compost situation going. We put it outside of the chicken wire with our brown paper on top of it. And it works out great. So we'll show you what this looks like when it's planted. Now let's
Does this
see.
one look so hard for me to break? Watch it. Mom,
This
watch it.
is
I really can just break this thing.
our ginger. Not as big as I hoped for, but we did good. We watered our pineapple over here with some rainwater.
Yeah! Woo woo!
So yeah, we're trying to do a little something here. I think we did good.